you be yourself and the world will be fine. But a true soul connection takes more than a line. It's an architecture built with care and with grace, creating a sanctuary, a hallowed space where your darkest of secrets don't need to be hidden, and no honest thought is ever forbidden. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. Forever young. Forever young. In the light of truth, the word is a critic to point out the flaw, but friendship is governed by a higher law. Benevolence is the lens to which we must see the struggles you face to finally be free. I'll edit your chaos, I listen to your pain, like the sun coming out through the tropical rain. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. So share your anxiety, share every fear. The frequency of trust is all that we hear. It's not an accident, it's a choice that we make to give more to the world than we ever could take in this roots vibration. Let the ego just fall. One love, one heart, answering the call. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. Master the skill. Love is the root. Master the skill. Oh, whoa, na 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 na. Building a bridge where there used to be a wall, standing together so we never have to fall. It's not an accident, it's a blueprint we draw. Friendship is the highest form of the law. I am building sanctuary, a place for you to be, safe from the storm and the raging sea. The architecture of trust, the design of the heart, mastering the skill, mastering the art. Of your sorrow and your pain, we'll build a shelter from the emotional rain. No judgment in the design, no pride in the stone. In this house of love, you are never alone. I am building a sanctuary, a place for you to be. The world is shaking and the towers start to lean. Nothing is ever quite as simple as it seems. But when you're drifting on a broken piece of wood, I'll be the land where the righteous have stood. I'll be a solid ground, your foundation and your rock, the steady rhythm that can never stop. Rooted in the truth, anchored in the soul, helping the broken parts to become whole. Share your anxiety, give me your fear. The frequency of friendship is all that we hear. No shifting sand and no rising tide. With a true brother, there's nowhere to hide. I'll be a solid ground, your foundation and your rock. Oh, 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 earth thinking love is just a breeze, that it falls from the sky and puts our hearts at ease. But the roots of a brother, the roots of a friend, take our patient gardener for the branches to bend. It's not just about being who you naturally are, it's about how you listen when the soul has a scar. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. Make each other whole, yeah. Make each other whole, yeah. When the world throws a stone and you stumble in the dark, a true friend won't judge the shadows in your spark. They offer a version of you that is kind, editing the mess that is tangled in your mind. Vulnerability is the key to the gate, sharing all the fears that we carry like weight. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. One soul dwelling in two bodies, practice the art, master the heart. Let's laugh the madness, the irony of life, a playful connection to cut to the strife. It's a long-term mission, a slow-growing tree. The more that I help you, the more I am free. In the rhythm of trust, in the globe of the truth, wisdom for the elders, a map for the youth. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. Learn to be a friend, it's a work of art, it's a work of art. Silence isn't empty, it's a space to be filled with the words of a brother whose spirit is chilled. We walk through the valley of ego and pride, but a friend is the person who walks by your side. Not just for the laughter, not just for the sun, but for the moments when you feel you're the only one. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration, one heart, one vibration. Bring me your shadows, your failures and shame. I house of clay. Let the light of a friend wash the sorrow away. We're editing the story, we're changing the script. From the chains of the lonely, our spirits are stripped. In this dub vibration, we finally see that loving each other is what sets us free. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration. One heart, one vibration. Hear the silence, master the art of this soul. One love, one love. the tower, minute by minute and hour by hour. Foundation laid in the soil of truth, from the wisdom of age to the fire of youth. The architecture of trust is a holy sight, standing tall in the middle of the night. Built by the hands of a faithful friend, on a love that will never, ever end. the shadows away. I won't see the failure or the things you regret. I see the goal that the world hasn't met. It's a deliberate vision, a benevolent eye, finding the truth beneath every lie. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Oh, one vibration. Oh, vulnerability is the bridge to the heart, the courage to show every broken down part. I listen to the mess, I'll edit the pain until your own spirit feels steady again. Benevolence is the frequency we choose, the only way that we never can lose. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Oh, one vibration. Oh, don't just be yourself if yourself is in chains. Break through the ego and the emotional rain. Share the anxiety, the doubt and the fear. That is the moment when heaven is near. In this roots rhythm, we finally find the peace and the power of a benevolent mind. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. Master the reflection. Love is the mirror. Jaga. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, when the world looks at you and only sees the wrong, I'll be the one to hear your hidden song. I see the gold underneath the dirt and the dust. In a benevolent vision, we place our trust. Look through the eye of kindness, see the light within. Beyond the failure and beyond the sin, it's a conscious choice, a frequency we find. a troubled mind. That shows you the best and puts the critic in your head to rest. Look through the eye of kindness, see the light within, see the light, see the thoughts are a tangle, a mess of a vine. You can't see the logic or the master design. But sit with a friend and let the words flow, and watch how the clarity starts to grow. We're in the editing room, sorting the gold, leaving the stories that have already been told, clarifying the vision, clearing the mind, leaving the static and the chaos behind. You're not the mess that you think you have made. You're just a person who's a little afraid. Let's rewrite the script, let's fix the scene, and find the person that you've always been. We're in the editing room, sorting the gold. try to stand in the corner and hold up the light when the path ahead is as dark as the night. I am your witness, I see who you are, a shining sun and a distant star, a conscious presence, a steady hand, walking with you through the shifting sand. We need a witness to know we are here, to validate the joy and to validate the fear. It's a holy service, a duty of the soul, to keep the human story under control. I am your witness, I see who you are. I see you, one love. Oh yeah, oh They say it's natural, they say it's a gift, but without the work, the hearts will drift. It's a master skill that we must acquire to keep the flame of the spirit on fire. Master the love, master the care, like the sacred breath in the morning air. It's a conscious walk, a deliberate road, sharing the weight of the heavy load. Study the silence, study the word, hear the things that are seldom heard. Practice the art of being a friend from the beginning until the end. Master the love, master the care, Take off the armor. Take off the armor. Lay down the shield. There's a beautiful truth in the heart revealed, showing the cracks where the light can dance, giving our spirits a second chance. In the echo of vulnerability we find the sacred tie that truly binds. No more hiding, no more the mask. Being honest is our only task. I'll share my shame if you share your fear, until the path ahead is crystal clear. The strongest house is the one with no wall, where we're not afraid to trip or to fall. In the echo of vulnerability we find life is too serious, the weight is too much. We lose the magic and we lose the touch. But a friend is the one who can find the joke and see the comedy in the fire and the smoke. Let's laugh at the madness, let's play in the sun. The work of the art is meant to be fun. A playful connection, a resilient string to catch us when the bells of sorrow ring. Shared absurdity is the glue that will stick when the walls of the world get too heavy and thick. play in the sun. Silence is a canvas, and words are the pain. I listen to the sinner, and I listen to the saint. It's not just being quiet while you speak your mind. He's searching for the treasures that you need to find. Friendship is an echo, a resonance of love, a gift from the earth and a gift from above. Master the skill of the listening ear until all the shadows start to disappear. Friendship is an echo, a resonance of love. Morning dust on my feet, red clay on my hands. I feel the ground breathing under the mango stands. Drum talk through the yard, slow steps in the rain. Every small thing moving, calling out my name. I've been listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in the river, having